Hi everyone, Mike DiDonato here from Fiaima Canada, and today we're going to be changing the filter on the Jura GIGA 6. What you're going to need to complete this process is a Claris Smart filter. They come in individual packs or in a 3-pack. You'll know it's time to change the filter when you get a warning message on your screen. You're then going to select that message, go into the change filter option in your menu and select change the filter. What you're going to need to do now is remove the water tank, empty it, disconnect your filter from the filter extension, get your new filter. Now before you reconnect it, we always recommend rinsing it for 30 seconds underneath your tap. The reason we recommend this is it's always better to have a pre-soaked filter going into the machine because it's a lot easier for it to pull the water through. Once you're done that, you're going to connect it to the filter extension, put it back in the water tank, refill the tank, and put it onto the machine. The machine will now begin to prime and rinse the filter itself. You've now changed the filter on the Jura GIGA 6. Thanks for watching how to change the filter on the Jura GIGA 6. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Fiaima_Canada and check out our website for all your cleaning and maintenance product needs, www.fiaima.ca.